Hi guys, today I will show you how to add videos in Wix website. Now in order to do this, first of all navigate to your Wix editor. After you navigate to the editor, you'll have to simply click on this plus add elements button at the top left and navigate to the video and music section. When you click on this video and music section, it is going to open this page. What you can also do is click on the search icon and search for video, hit enter, and as you can see, you have the option to add these videos to your site. The first one is Wix video, that is, you can stream and sell videos on your site, upload files and embed from social sites. You can select whether you want to upload a single video player, that is, you can upload videos or choose a video from social media to play on your site. You can also add transparent video, that is, you can add an eye-catching focal point to your site with transparent videos. You can also click on show 10 more results and you have all these options. We're not going to explore these. We're just going to click on single video players and you will see these options. You can select whether you want to upload video, upload a YouTube video, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook or Wix videos. So select any kind of video that you wish to upload. You can also select from these illustrations. You can just left click them and drag them onto your site. As you can see, I just added this video. You can select the size of this play button and all those things, but we are not going to do that. So we'll delete this. Click on add elements again, navigate to video and music, select single video players and we'll select video upload. When you click on it, it is going to open this small videos interface on your site. Now place this video anywhere you want on your site and click on change video button. Now you can select a video from your computer if you want to upload it from your PC. You can upload a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, and you can select the playback options for that video by selecting this, that is autoplays and plays in loop. You can add what this video is about, add a description here, and it will be done. So in order to upload a video from a computer, click on this upload icon, that is your computer icon. Now click on upload media button at the top, select upload from computer. Now navigate to the folder where your video is located, select it, click on open and this is going to open that video here. You'll have to just select that video in this section and click on add to page. After that, you would have successfully added a video on Wix website. So that's how you can add a video on Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.